65, 70, 80, 85, 90. How much money can I make selling on Whatnot as a complete beginner? Today we're gonna find out. And the best part is, I'm not even using my own stock. I'm using his, so there's zero risk. I'm gonna show you behind the scenes and show you what we sell and how much money we make. The best part is, none of us, me and you guys, will lose any money. So let's see, is it really profitable?
Oh, but I might lose money, eh? Is that what you're telling me? I might lose money.
Game's the game. So the plan is to try and make around £850 profit in 2 hours.
Oh, we got that, don't worry. Let's make it £2,000.
Logically, what I'm thinking is, if we're able to move 100 pairs an hour, and even if we made £5 a pair, that's £1,000. So that's the goal. So what we're doing right now is we are loading these trolleys with a variety of different stock. Obviously, some stock is exactly the same. So what we're looking at is different SKUs, different sizes. These 5 are the same, so we won't grab any more of these. So I can just pick up a brand new shock. I'll take that. That looks all right. We've got a DNA. We'll take them.
Oh, come over here now. I've got one that's making good money at the moment.
Show us.
Toddler pairs.
Bruh.
We pay like literally £8 to £12 on toddler pairs. This is a money chop, especially when you're looking at toddler DNs.
I reckon these will go.
Yeah. Oh, we got TNs.
And we got TNs. So I'm going to put these to the side. We'll definitely bring them. And that's what we're going to do now for the next 20 minutes is literally pick out 200 pairs. And honestly, it's very easy to do that. This is only a small stream. So right now, this is literally all Nike, couple Jordans. So I'm going to start handpicking some Adidas and other brands. So there is a nice variety and a mixture of sizes. For example, we'll bring some of these Gazelles and some of these Converse too. So I found these size 9.5. Here's my proposition.
Go on.
If I can get 75, how much? £75. Would you let me buy these for £75?
Yeah.
Okay, if I can get £75 in tips on the show, can I keep them?
Oh, the mods won't be happy with that though.
Do they get the money?
The mods get the money. You have to ask the mods for that one.
I'm going to buy them anyway. They're clean. You know I love my A6. So I'm going to have to buy these still. Decent shocks to be fair. And these ones, Stan Smith number. Mate, there's about 30 pairs here. Right, so now we're about, 15 minutes out from the show? Right, so what we've done is we've filled 1, 2, there's another one behind there, 3, 4, 5, 6 trolleys and that table.
Doesn't look like much, but there's 200 pairs right there.
About 200 pairs. So my logic is, for me to make £1,000 for him this evening is average £5 profit a pair. 5 times 200, 1,000. What else do we need to do right now?
So now we grab these and we number 1 to 200 and we pre-number everything.
So I'm gonna obviously do these labels, and while I'm doing that, he's gonna get the stream ready.
Yeah.
And then we're literally ready to go. Editor, get the timer on the screen.
It's my own design. It's my own remorse. Help me to
Boom. Done. My wrist hurts. Right, now that's done. I think we're ready to go, to be fair.
Well, now I like to put the numbers on the pairs before. 35
You know.
But it means then we don't have to number them as we go. If we pre-number everything, all you got to do is pass me the pair when I'm running and make sure it's in order. So you just go 1 to blah, 1 to blah, blah, bang, bang, and then these aisles are really easy to do, the shelves. It's just a case of bing, 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 bing.
Let's do it. So in order from 1 and up, right?
Yeah, and then, so your job is going to be, we'll get you selling a little bit as well. Like, don't think you're going to get out
Are you
of
going
that.
to prostitute me on the thing?
You're going to be here, and I want it like that. That's like I want it.
You sell it and you put it on here.
Yeah, and then when that rack's done, we move that, we get the next rack, we load up the next rack, and we carry on.
Every time,
Yeah.
there's always going to be one empty rack.
Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit over the top, so yeah, but then the last rack will be empty, because we'll just put back on the last rack. Are we ready to start?
Let's do this.
Yeah?
I'm ready.
Do you want to do the honours?
No, you can do it. It's your home. Ready?
Ready to go.
Let's make the cameras kiss. We are live.
We're live. How many people join off the bat, Jackin? Say hello in the chat, everyone, to the video. We have a special guest with us today. Come say hello. A lot of you guys will know him. Sam is in the building as well. The man himself. Show some love. There you go. You got love. You got love. Charlie's in the building as well. We were supposed to do a 4 o'clock stream, and what happened?
Just bare gooning.
Sam's only going to get me banned off Whatnot. But let's get this going, guys. Love both the YouTube videos. Look at that.
Come on,
We've
big
got
up.
200 people. 200.
Let's go.
We move things quick, so let's go. Brand new, 165 retail. Get them bids up. This is the Rare Air Jordan 1 High. Oh, hello. SB Vertebrae in a UK 9.5. UK 9.5. Go.
83 pairs in
Adult
40
pair
minutes so
of
far.
Voneros.
Kai's churning. I'm getting the stock ready.
We wouldn't be able to do it without Sam. You're only selling it, innit?
Am I? Apparently I'm selling soon.
155 retail, brand new.
2.6k revenue.
2.6k
It's
revenue
alright,
in
it's alright.
40 minutes. But we didn't start running until 10 minutes after.
So
30
we've got to
minutes
keep
of
it
running.
churning.
Yeah.
I'm going to get selling. We'll see if I still got it. Right, we're 1 hour in right now.
Yeah. Everyone say
And-
hello in the chat.
Chat, say hello.
Say hello right now. Hello.
Hello.
Spam it, chat. Spam
Let's see.
Spam it.
There's 300 man in here. Run it up.
272 man in here.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
136 orders, 136 pairs in 1 hour and 5 minutes.
I think we're going to hit that goal, you know.
Yeah, and by the looks of things, hopefully that can be doubled in an hour. That's
do
what
it.
I'm worth an hour, by the way, chap. I'm worth that.
Right, let's run it. Dobs in the chat right now.
Cooked on this.
And also, spam the dobs and then say hello to the YouTube. Let's go, chat. What are these? 200 retail nowadays. 65, 70, 80, 85, 90. This is cheap. Over 50% off right now. Jesus. £100, 105.
3,
That is cheap.
2, 1. Sold.
Big ups. £8. Air Max 95. Triple black.
Adult sizing as well.
UK 5.5, 175 retail price, chat. I mean, if you pull up to school in these, that's instant pum pum on the playground. Are we ready?
Sam's gonna get me banned.
10 seconds left. We're at 51. 175 retail, chat. We are 1 hour. 1 hour and 40 minutes in. What are we saying?
I'm slowly dying. The voice is going a little bit.
We're efficient though. We've done 208 orders at hour 40.
Hour 40 in, 208 orders. That's how much we've done. There you go. Any predictions in the chat? What do you think we've done in revenue, chat? Let them predict. What do you think they're going to predict? How much revenue do you think we've done? 2,500? 8k? 6 to 7k? What?
Bruh. Oh lord. Someone got it spot on.
Someone got it spot on.
We don't say though because we don't need to flex.
Who wants a free shoe giveaway?
I will sponsor this giveaway out of my own pocket. What I need you guys to do right now is you're going to go onto YouTube and you're going to subscribe to Kai's YouTube channel and I will do a giveaway, okay? And I will sponsor it. Once you've done that, you're going to search Sam Coleman on YouTube and subscribe to that.
Can one of the mods pin subscribe to kaikicks.uk and Sam Coleman on YouTube?
You guys need to look after me and Kai and I will look after you lot. I think that's fair. Let me know in the comments when you're done. Ooh, right, fun story. I'm about to run these. I used to go to JD for opening, buy these for £100 retail and flip them for £150 on lace the same day. One more after this and then we're going to do a giveaway.
Free shoe time.
Should we do a free shoe? Let's get some dubs in the chat right now. W in the chat if you subscribe, chat. Let's
Free
go,
shoe,
chat.
guys.
Get entering, get entering, get entering.
Get it up,
Do you
get it
reckon
up.
170 people are already subscribed?
I hope so. Last chance to enter.
3,
Ooh.
2, run that ting. Who is our winner? Who is our winner? Beely. Beely, are you in the chat?
Are you subscribed, Beely?
Congratulations.
As well, thank you for all the love tonight. We did 235 orders in less than 2 hours, chat. Now, we cooked then, though.
What not so complete? We actually ended up doing 230 orders in under 2 hours. I would say we might be a dream team.
Oh, yeah, we were cooking. That's basically 3 shoes a minute. 2 to 3 shoes a minute we were doing.
We killed it.
Now it's time for the fun part, though. Let's work out how much money we have made, chat.
We'll come back to you. We've done the maths. Are you happy?
Yeah, this is a pretty... Well, I don't want to dox too much now because everyone's going to think on my whatnot streams, but it's an alright stream. It's okay. It's decent.
For me, though,
Yeah.
pretty...
Oh, yeah. For Sam running it, this is a decent stream. 100%. 100%. He did mint. And you got to remember, guys, this is 2... We did half an hour prep.
Half an hour prep.
2 hours on stream. Okay. And then we did half an hour now, just adding up the total. So we spent a total of 3 hours.
And let's say if we were to package and ship another... I could probably bash this out in 2 hours.
Yeah, I'd say like 4 hours.
Work total.
No, I'm saying 4
plus
hours
shipping.
plus the shipping.
I got it quick.
200 orders.
Yeah, I could do it in 2 hours. I reckon I can pack a parcel once every 30
It's
seconds.
finding them, that's the problem.
Yeah, but if they're
The
numbers...
5 boxes are tough.
We finished by selling 230 items on the dot.
And our revenue for that show was £7,172.91p.
After fees.
Yes. And that also includes the giveaways, by the way. That also includes the giveaways. So that's been deducted off our revenue as well. So that's our total thing.
Therefore, We obviously originally aimed for £800 profit.
Yeah.
We finished with a total for 2 hours, Whatnot streaming, was £1,315.91. I'm a margins man, and ROI was only 22.5%. But when you're doing volume, margin doesn't matter as much. So,
As a Whatnot streamer, we take 20% margins. A very good stream is 30% margins. A bad stream is 10% margins. 22% margins, we take them all day.
the question is, would I do it again? Now, I'll be honest with you, it's a lot of work when it comes down to it.
You have to have your team in place. For example, Lloyd comes in tomorrow and he packs all the orders. So all I've technically had to do is just stream. Usually someone will prep the stream for me. I come in, I stream, then it gets sent off to Lloyd who packs all the orders. However, in Sam's case, doing it on your ones, whole different story.
It would take double as long because, as you saw from when we were doing the stream, is I'm getting the pairs ready, passing it to Kai, or when I was doing the pairs on the stream, Kai was getting the pairs ready and passing it to me. So it is a two-man job. You could do it as a one-man job, but it will take double as long because you're doing double as much work.
Yeah.
So me personally, I don't think it's for me. I don't think I have the energy or the patience to do it. You can make good money if you have the right stock. I would say if you want to try Whatnot, you need a lot of stock. That's my opinion. You can't come on here with 20 pairs.
If you want to do well, you need to run mass. And sometimes that means taking a loss on some of your stuff to get that name out there. I've been Whatnot streaming for over 2 years, so I'm in quite a fortunate position to do quite well in terms of the viewers and stuff like that. Someone who comes on Whatnot won't get, 300-400 people in the first hour. Do you know what I mean? It's a little bit different, so I can see where people are going to come from on this video and say, well, you streamed on someone who had 300-400 viewers, but trust me, you could come on Whatnot, burst in the scene within 1 month to get these sort of viewers if you're doing mass stock, 100%. And we've seen it happen to loads of streamers.
Charlie Sneaker Stockpile started Whatnot, 6 months ago?
Biggest streamer on the app.
And I think he is right now the biggest
100%.
resale trainer page. And he's overtaken pages that are getting paid more and been streaming for a lot longer than he has. He hit 1,000 viewers. 1,000.
Bro, Charlie cooks, and you got to respect it, bro. You've got to respect it because he puts the hustle in for the stream. I only started streaming again recently, and I've only been doing 2 a week. If I want to step it up, I personally would have to stream 4 times a week. Stock's not an issue for me, I'll be honest, but the streaming is effort, man. It's effort. It tires you out, and especially when you're supposed to be up next day early buying stock, it tires you out, guys. It really does.
I hope you did enjoy this video. Obviously, one of the people that commented on the YouTube said, try Whatnot for a video. Well, we've done it.
There you go.
Listen.
Showing him the ways.
Listen. If this video gets...
Oh, here we go.
200 likes, we will do a part 2. 1,000 pairs.
Yeah, I'm up for it. I got the stock ready. You tell me. You just send me a message. It's on. And the pairs will be waiting to be ran. And we're hoping for some good profit then. If we can make 1.3k off 200 pairs, that should be...
And I'll put in 50% for the stock as well.
Oof.
And then we go casino.
Yeah, big time.
So if you want that, let us know. And Kai and I will buy up 1,000 pairs of trainers. In fact, we will go live on Whatnot. We will do a full video.
Yeah.
And I will go live on YouTube at the same time so you can see the behind the scenes, behind what's going on while we're live. But this video has to get 200 likes. Do you reckon we could do it?
100%. 100%. The problem is, I think you should have mentioned that at the start of the video. Because what if people have clicked off now?
We'll see.